here's the Crack Shot Preparedness individual trauma kit. You have your bifold with retention so it doesn't just spill your contents out everywhere. On the inside, we have wound packing gauze roll. We also have, rip this open, elastic gauze, 2 gram Celox powder, nasal airway, lubricant, 1 pair of gloves here, 1 pair of gloves here, Israeli bandage, it's a 4-inch. On the opposite side, we have, let me get it open here. Full roll of tape, and this is the waterproof 3M tape. We have our compressed gauze, hemostatic gauze, hyphen chest seal. This is a 2-pack, and it is the vented side. And then on some of our kits, we do also carry a 4x4 12-ply gauze pad. You have your mini marker, and you have your North American Rescue cat tourniquet.